Welcome back to another video of this channel. In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer crypto coin from Bybit account to Binance. So here you can see I have opened Bybit application on my cell phone. So if you scroll down, so here you can see the Bitcoin price, which is currently $88,000, which is too much. If you come on the gainers, you will find all the gainers coins, that how much coin increase in 24 hours. If you want to keep updated from the market, you can join my free Telegram group. You can find the link on the description. Now let's come on our main topic, that how to transfer crypto from Bybit to Binance exchange. So to transfer crypto, first you have to come on the assets, and here you can see the option withdraw. You don't have to select the transfer. Transfer is basically used here to transfer the funds from funding to trading or trading to funding. We have to withdraw from here. Click on the withdraw, and here you will see that in which coins you have some funds. Just like in the USDT, I have 47 USDT available, and for the Solana I have 0.052872 Solana. So I want to transfer USDT. You can select the coin whatever you want to transfer from here to Binance. Now again, here you can see the two options, on-chain and internal transfer. I have already created a video about the internal transfer, that how you can transfer from Bybit to another Bybit account, which is 100% free. You can find the link from the description if you want to see the internal transfer. But currently we are transferring from Bybit to Binance exchange. So we have to select the on-chain. Now here you have to give the address. After that you have to select the network. So this is the main point. So first you can see the networks, that which networks are available here, because we have to select the same network on the Binance exchange as well. Select the network, and here you can see the list of the networks. You can see the ERC20, TRC20, Arbitrum. So below the network you can see the fee. For example, for ERC20 you have to pay 8 USDT. For TRC20 you have to pay 1.3 USDT fee. For Solana 1 USDT. For BP20 $1. I will recommend you to use TRC20, Solana or BP20 network. You can also use the others, but other networks might be not available on many exchanges. So I really like these networks. So if you select BP20, you have to pay $1 fee. For the TRC20, you have to pay $1.30 fee. So choice is yours. You can select any network. I will select BP20 network. Now here we need BP20 USDT address. Now we will go on the Binance exchange and we'll get the address. So I have opened the Binance exchange on my cell phone, and here you have to select the deposit. After that you have to select the coin which you want to deposit. So we are withdrawing USDT from Bybit, and here we have to select USDT in the deposit. Select USDT. Once again you have to select the network, and you have to select the same network which you have selected on the Bybit exchange. We have selected BP20 on the Bybit exchange. So select BP20, and here we go. Here is the address of deposit. Copy this address. Now once again come on the Bybit exchange, paste address here, and here you can see the amount. Minimal withdrawal amount is 10 USDT. Now it depends on you that how much amount you want to withdraw. Let me show you the other networks, that how much minimum withdrawal you can do in the TRC20. So if you select the TRC20, you can withdraw minimum $2.6. For the BP20, you can withdraw minimum $10. So if you have low amount, you can select the TRC20 also. I will select 10 USDT, select the withdraw. Now here you can see the security verification. We are withdrawing USDT, BP20 network, withdraw to this address, and amount will be received 10 USDT. And also you have to pay $1 withdrawal fee. After that you have to verify the security confirmations. Just like you will receive code on your email, on your mobile number. If you don't want to do security verification for the next time, you can check this box. But I will not recommend you to use this because the security confirm. Now here you can see we have to complete this security verification, and code will be sent to my Gmail account and Google Authenticator. So I have inserted the both codes. Now click on the confirm, and here you can see our request has been submitted successfully. It will not take much time. Basically BB20 network will take 5 to 10 minutes, sometime maybe few minutes. Now let's check the view withdrawal history, and it says withdrawal in processing. Click on this and it says withdrawal in process. Still you can like this video, subscribe my channel, and comment on this video that which exchange tutorial you want the next. Now here you can see it says withdrawal completed within a minute. but sometimes it will take more time to deposit on the Binance. So come on the Binance exchange and verify this deposit. Refresh this. And here you can see that crypto deposit 10 USDT processing. Click on this and it is confirming. Basically 15 confirmation are required, but 70 confirmation are already confirmed. So it will take a less than a minute to verify this. So here you can see we have received 10 USDT on our Binance account, which we have withdrawn from the Bybit exchange. So I hope you understand that how you can transfer crypto coin from the Bybit exchange to Binance exchange. If you face any problem, you can comment down below. I will try to solve your issue. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.